What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see who like your post on Rednote. So what you want to do once you're inside Rednote, guys, is simply tap your profile on the lower right hand side. It's called me, and then what you want to do is simply find your post. Now once you find your post, simply tap on that post, and if you scroll down to the bottom you will see where it have the comments section there. It might be empty, but if someone, for example, comment or like your post, you will want to simply look towards the section where it says comment and it says likes and collect. You tap on that and it will show you who liked the post. So the first one is myself. I liked it. As you can see, I had 2 likes there at the bottom. And the second is someone else, right? And it basically shows you that person liked your post. You can also follow that person if you so desire as well. It's really up to you, or you don't have to, right? But that's how to check and how to view and how to see who like your post on a Rednote.